Alright, y'all, we're going to run the Beehive beverage dispenser for Vickie Barnett. There are 25 spots at $1.25 a spot. Copy our list and go live. At 1:33. Let's post our list. 25 spots, so we need a 4 or higher on the dice. We have an 8, that'll work. Let's randomize for the first time at 1:34. After the first time, there are 25 items on our list with Terry Blackpool on top, Lindsay Wally on bottom. Dice calls for an 8. So here we go at 1:34. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, there are still 25 items on our list with Shalana on top and Michelle Bryce on bottom. We've randomized 7 times. Die 6 and 2 calls for an 8. So here we go for the last time at 1:35. Good luck. Alright, after the last time, spot number 21, Miss Terry Blackwell, you are the winner. Congratulations. There were 25 items on our list. We randomized 8 times. The dice did call for an 8. So we are done at 1:35. So congratulations to spot number 21, Miss Terry Blackwell.